This dance is called Rabid Love. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, high beginner level line dance with 2 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot with a slow chassé to the right. So you can step the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Slow chassé back to the left, taking the left to the side, right beside left, left to the side, scuff the right forward. The scuff being your gentle contact with the ground with the heel of the foot. That set of steps once more then, chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, scuff. Walk forward, 3 steps, right, left, right, touch the left beside the right. Walk back 3 steps, left, right, left, touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch. Add that to the top. Slow chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, scuff. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch. Add on some cross points. You're going to cross the right over the left, point the left to the side. Cross the left over the right, point the right to the side. Into a jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. So you're going to cross the right over left, step back on that left, make a quarter turn to the right, cross that left over the right. That set of steps once more then, cross point on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross. Add that to the top. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, scuff. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch. Cross, point, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. Into a weave, you're going to start by crossing. So cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind, step the left to the side. Then cross, rock, right foot over left, so you cross and rock onto it, recover your weight back on that left. That set of steps once more then, side rock and weave off on the right. 7, 8, side, rock, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. End of dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, scuff. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch. Cross, point, cross, back, side, turn, cross. Side, rock, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. That's your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, scuff. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch. Cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross. Side, rock, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, scuff. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch. Cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross. Side, rock, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, scuff. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. That is your dance. Now there are 2 tags and 1 restart in this dance. Your tags come at the ends of walls 6 and 12. So for wall 6 is our 3 o'clock wall. You will be facing 6 o'clock, so the back wall, when you come to do the tag. Your 12 o'clock wall will actually be your 6 o'clock wall, so you'll be doing your tag facing 9 o'clock. So you will literally have just done that weave, you will have cross-rocked on the right and recover. Your tag, quite simply, is a reverse rocking chair done on the diagonal. So the way you are effectively going to be almost facing when you've done the cross rock, so that corner that you're cross rocking into is the angle that you will be facing when you do your reverse rocking chair. So for the 6 o'clock wall, I'm crossing, that foot is going towards 4:30, so that is the angle that I will now turn myself to face to do this rocking chair when I rock back, recover, rock forward, recover. So you're just doing the rocking chair backwards. That is your tag. So let's just have a go at wall 6. Get to the end of wall 6, add on the tag and restart so you can see how it fits in. Chassé to the right. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, scuff. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, tag, back, rock, forward, rock, restart, side, close, side, touch. So you square yourself back up to the back wall when you start the dance again. Or in the case of wall 12, you will square yourself up to the side wall. So those are your tags, ends of wall 6 and 12. Now you also have a restart. The restart comes on wall 8 after 16 counts. So wall 8 is our 9 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to 16 counts. You're going to walk forward, touch, walk back, touch, and restart at that point. See how that fits in. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, scuff. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch. Restart, side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, scuff. So hopefully you can see how that restart fits in. Wall 8 after 16 counts, halfway through the dance. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag and your restart information. Let's give it a go to no music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, step. Walk, 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 touch, back, back, touch. Cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, step. Walk, 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 touch, back, back, touch, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, close, side, touch, side, close, side, step. Walk, 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 touch, back, 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 touch, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, close, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, cross, chasse. Walks. Cross point. Side rock. Chasse. To restart your tag wall. Cross point. Side rock. Tag, rocking chair. Chasse. Walks. Cross point. Side rock. Chasse. To restart wall. Walks. Restart, chasse.
I need you, girl, but that ain't
Walks.
fair to me.
Cross point.
One side of love always feels alone.
Side rock. Chasse.
Give my tears, I'm sorry.
Walk. Cross point.
If you love me, don't let me go.
Side rock.
'Cause there's a whole lot of men right here with a whole lot of love to share. Mom and daddy raised me right. Tip your hat, son, and be polite. There's someone for everyone. We need to have some
So
faith.
next tag wall.
God has a plan. Let him do his thing.
Tag, rocking chair. Chasse.
If you're leaving me, then I wish you the best. I hope you find what you're looking for. One last kiss goodbye, and you need to know. If you love me, don't let me go. One last kiss goodbye, and you need to know. If you love me, don't let me go.
Hope you managed that one.